Hi, welcome to Mamas and Mannies. I'm your host, Trina. This is a short form podcast for mamas that are looking for a quick burst of me time. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button and share this with another mama that is looking for a calming nighttime routine to wind down and get ready to jump in the bed, or should I say, slide into the bed for a relaxing evening and a great morning to come. As usual, we're going to go ahead and start the episode off with the motivational quote or motivational mantra, just how you want to look at it. This week's quote is going to be from Oprah Winfrey. Of course, the great talk show host. She had the Oprah Winfrey Show, went on after that to do the OWN network. Now she does a podcast, basically sitting down with all of her favorites, doing a lot of work with menopause, just educating the world, especially women going through menopause, but also other people in the world, just coming, bringing research and other information to light. So I love Oprah. I don't know if you do, but I really love Oprah. The quote says, "Dreams are the whispers of your soul, guiding you to the path you are meant to walk." Again, that quote says, "Dreams are the whispers of your soul, guiding you to the path you are meant to walk." And again, that quote is from Oprah. I cannot say Oprah tonight. Oprah Winfrey. But guess what time it is? It's mama time. So as I mentioned in the opening, this week we are going to go over, I typed in the chat GPT, can you come up with a relaxing bedtime routine for mamas? And it gave me a great, calming, winding down mama's nighttime self-care routine. So some of this I am going to read just because I can't remember everything, but you will see me doing some of the things that it is suggesting. One of the things that it does suggest is to go ahead and set the mood. I have a candle burning here. This candle is called Zen, and it is sandalwood and myrrh. Yes, sandalwood and myrrh. It's a neutral scent, nothing too strong, nothing too floral. So just really relaxing of a scent. I think whoever got this from me, I think it's on the bottom. Maybe they got it from like Ross, Marshalls or something like that. But it definitely smells good. The myrrh actually smells really good. So let's start off by setting the scene, which I said, getting all your items ready that you need. So I have a jade roller here with my Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I really like to use this at night. And sometimes I use it in the morning. I think at night I actually use another serum that they have. But you can do both in the morning and at night. It just depends on what you're looking for. I also have a lip scrub. I've talked about this lip scrub in the past on the show. It is the Sugar Lip Scrub Lavender Vanilla from Naked Bar Soap Company. Really like this. It lasts for a long time. I actually use it and it smells really good. I use it on my lips, on my daughter's lips when they get really dry, ashy, cracked lips. I think they usually get that like in the wintertime. So it really works. It's soft, not too harsh or anything like that. I have my satin hands from good old Mary Kay. I got this from my mom. She had some gift baskets. They were gift baskets for Christmas. So I got one of these. This is really good also. And I have a bright eye mask. And I think this was like a gift to maybe like what is it called? A gift exchange gift from work or something like that. So this is great too. So just a few things. Wind your night down. Take care of your face. This is going to be focused like on face and of course the hands. So we have the mood set. We have what we need. If you are the type of person that drinks a warm cup of tea before bed, go ahead and get that. If you want to dim your lights down, you can definitely do that. Or if you have like a nice, luxurious bathroom, you can bring all this stuff in your bathroom. If you have like a cute chair that you have, you can sit in that and have the rest of the stuff sitting on your counter. First thing we want to do, step one, is to release the day. That is basically taking a moment to breathe, inhaling and exhaling, inhaling all the positive things that happen during the day. So go ahead. If you're watching me on YouTube, you can see what I'm doing. If you're listening to me on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever else you may be listening to a podcast, you're not going to be able to see it. You may hear me taking a deep breath. So breathe in that positivity that happened throughout the day. And then we're going to exhale any negative energy, negative people, negative thoughts. We're going to exhale that out. Again, let's go ahead and inhale any positivity and exhale the negative energy that came up throughout the day. So doing this, we are able to release those negative thoughts while bringing in the positive thoughts, making sure we're ending our night with the positivity. Now, I want to interject and just pause right here. I've had some moms tell me like they see me doing things on like my stories or reels or something like that, and they are thinking, how does she have time to do that? Where are her kids at? So that's, a topic for another day. But I just wanted to come up with an idea that we all can do at home. So your kids, like my kids right now, they're asleep, even though this is a pre-recorded episode. So most likely you'll be listening to this maybe in the morning or something like that. But right now when I'm recording, my kids are asleep. My husband is right here, but sometimes he does a podcast too, where he actually leaves the house on Monday afternoons. That gives me the opportunity to have just quiet time to myself. So even if you are not able to have that flexible, long, luxurious quiet time during the day, you can take 5 or 10 minutes to do this at night. The breathing exercise, that was all of 2 minutes, if even that. The next one is a quick self-care ritual. So that's why I have these things. I've washed my face with my favorite face wash. I'm not going to do the eye mask because the episode isn't going to be that long. But with the eye mask, I think this would be something great to do also in the morning, because in this package, I guess because of where it was at, this is very cool. I feel like when I take it out the package, it's going to be nice and cold on my eyes. So I think that'd be great for in the morning. But what I want to do right now is do the Good Molecules facial ultra hydrating facial oil. I'm just going to do 3 to 5 drops in my hand, 4, 5. And then I'm going to rub it on my face, gently like press it in. And I love this. I just love Good Molecules. I did a box review probably about 2 years ago, maybe the first year we started the podcast. I don't even know how my husband got that box, but I love Good Molecules because they're very affordable. And what I'm doing right now is just rolling the facial oil into my skin. I love Good Molecules. They're very affordable. They do have them at Target if you're shopping at Target right now. If you're not, they have them at Ulta, and you can order on Amazon as well. So I am going to do, I think I have probably about all of it off my skin. But it is a good practice, whatever you put on your face, to go ahead and put on your neck and your chin as well. That way you don't have a dry, loose neck. But you have a nice, moisturized, firm neck. So I'm just going to use the jade roller. I know some people keep their jade rollers in like the refrigerator. like if you keep it in a bag to keep it nice and cold. This is also something great to do in the morning as well. I don't have no chapstick. I just thought about that. I'm looking. I also put on chapstick at night. Now I'll do that lip scrub that I mentioned. I'm not going to do it now because I'm just sitting in a chair. But I'll do that lip scrub at night, maybe once a week or twice a month, just to make sure. Because sometimes you're like, you think your lips are okay, but then you do this lip scrub and you're like, oh, my lips was crusty. So I'll put that on. The next thing I would put on, I don't have with me right now, is my moisturizer. And then if I am doing like let's say if I get into bed early, or, I want to go ahead and get my face routine done earlier in the night, I also have, and I wish I would have brought this, my Herbal City. Now I can't think of the name. It's dark spot corrector or remover. I can't think of the name of it. I started using it. I got it last year at InvestFest, and then I would use it every once in a while. But I actually started to use it more often. So that's like extra. Like I wash my face, put on the facial oil, put on my regular moisturizer, and then I'll put on that moisturizer that I just mentioned, the dark spot remover. I love it. It's very moisturizing. My face, I wake up, it's not dry. Love it. So I think that's also something great. Another thing that ChatGPT recommended, if you want to do this before you put on your oils, you can also get a warm washcloth and just put that on your face. That way, your face is clean, and that water from, like, the moisture from the washcloth will help your skin absorb the oils a lot better. You can apply a face mask, a facial mask if you want to do that. So whatever you are interested in doing. Oils, jade roller, lip scrub, moisturizer, whatever's going to be good for you. Next is step 3, which is a mini gratitude check-in. If you have a journal that you use at night, you can definitely do that. I actually do not journal at night. I'm not a big journaler. Like if I am learning something, I will keep a journal so I can look back at it, look at my notes, see what I learned, what I need to go back over. But if that's something, and then too, you don't even have to have a physical journal. You can also keep like a running journal on your notes app on your phone. So think about that. I'm not going to dwell on that, like I said, since I don't actually journal on a regular basis. Step 4 is a gentle wind down tips. So here are a few tips that ChatGPT recommended. They talked about a short journal entry, and they gave an example of tonight I'm letting go of. That's kind of mentioning like the negative energy we let go of. Some type of warm drink, if that is tea or you're just doing like warm lemon water. Light stretching to make sure your body's stretched out, just to slow your body down. Some type of soft music, like if you use Calm or other apps such as that. And this is something that I thought was really good, was an affirmation for the night. The affirmation that they came up with was, I did my best today. I released the rest. So this time when I say it, I want you to say it with me. If you're watching me, you can see this, listening to me, repeat after me. I did my best today. I released the rest. Just remember, Mama, you deserve this. Like I mentioned earlier, if your day is busy from the time your feet hit the ground, out the bed, take 5 or 10 minutes at night and just do something for yourself. If you don't have all these things and your routine is just basically your regular jump in the shower, do your face cleaner, moisturizer, you can always add in. Oh, and then one thing about this ultra hydrating facial oil, I think it's like $5 or $10. That's not bad. I've seen a lot of other serums, oils, $20, $30. That's actually a really good price if you're looking for something to start off with. Start off with something smaller. That way you can make sure it's okay for your face if you have sensitive skin. But just take the time out to spend for yourself. No more excuses. I gave you 4 great steps you can do. The first one is to release the day. Second one, do your quick self-care ritual. Like I said, it could be something as quick as just brushing your teeth, washing your face, even just adding on that warm washcloth, really just to help you relax. Step 3, a mini gratitude check-in. That could be a physical journal or just a notes app on your phone. And then step 4 is that gentle wind down, whether that's that warm drink, light stretching, soft music, or a calming podcast, but something that's for you. And don't forget the affirmation, I did my best today, I released the rest. So remember, you deserve this. You are not just a mom, you are a whole beautiful person who needs care too. So again, I just want to say, as usual, if you like this episode, like the episode, hit the bell for notifications so you'll know when we come out with new episodes, reels, shorts, any new information. Share this with another mama. Even this episode, you can share this with anybody that needs to wind down for the night. If it's not a mom, it could be a college student, someone that's in like high school or something like that. That way they can have their own routine that they are starting, and even someone that's not a mom. So share, hit the like button, follow us on all social media platforms at Mommas and Mannies. Watch us on YouTube at our channel with the same name, Mommas and Mannies. And remember that me time is essential and it is never selfish. Have a great week, mama, a relaxing week.